clings to the gallery's edge as first light parts the mist. A single breath, the jungle hushes. Stone remembers what lips forgot. Fingers once traced these lintels raw with rice paste and sweat. Not for glory, not for heaven's gate, but to hold the sky in place. The towers rise not to rule the clouds, but to meet the hands that dream them. Angkor Wat, built not to last, but to love. Each block a prayer, the earth still holds above. From jungle floor to morning's crown, you stand not as ruin, but as vow unbound. A backpack leans against old basalt, while eyes lift wide and still, not counting spires, but the silence between what's carved and what was felt. The moat drinks dawn like sacred wine, reflecting not a temple, but a people's life. Angkor Wat, built not to last, but to love. Each block a prayer, the earth still holds above. From jungle floor to morning's crown, you stand not as ruined, but as vow unbound. No throne remains, no crown of gold, just moss on names worn thin. Yet every arch still hums the song of those who built with skin and bone. Angkor Art, built not to last, but to love. Each block a prayer, the earth still holds above. From jungle floor to morning's crown, you stand not as ruin, but as vow unbound. We came to see a wonder, we left